Hey guys, Koaw here. So I'm gonna do the flea market fishing challenge. I'm gonna go in there with only 20 bucks, try and find whatever old school lures I can for cheap, and then see if I can't get any fish with them. Stay tuned. Flea markets are fascinating because they are time capsules of history. One may observe the idiosyncrasies of past cultures simply by walking down dusty aisles that smell of mold, cigarettes, and a plethora of other odd aromas. Today, I am looking for fishing lures. This flea market is in northern Wisconsin, and there is no shortage of fishing lures. Some are overpriced, some are junk, and some are vintage antiques. Alright, so I'm back from the flea market. Didn't spend more than $20. Let's see what I got. For $1 each, I got a couple of printed bathymetric maps. Let's see what else I got. For $1, I got a bunch of little bobbers. Those can come in handy. For $2.50, I haven't even opened this up yet. Let's take a closer look. Looks like some 20-pound test steel leaders. Not bad, not bad. Probably some bad line I'm not going to use. Pretty bad, probably trash. Yeah, alright. It's like a number of lures I got here. So it looks like a bunch of spoons, even a weedless spoon, crankbaits, some plugs, and it's like a wire arm with some blades on it. Nice. For $2, I got this sort of Lindy Spig rig dealio. That was $2. Put a live bait on that. For $1 a piece, I got these old school, I think they're from the 80s maybe, spinnerbaits with straight rippled blades. Got for $3.50, I got a big pike, sort of Lindy spin blades, and it even came with some soft plastics. But the creme de la creme, let's do this here. The creme de la creme I've saved for last. I got 2 antique lures. These are seriously from, let's see, let's start with this one. This is a South Bend Lures, the company. It's called a Fish-O-Bite. And this is a material, it's a cellulosic, I gotta look it up. See, this is a Fish-O-Bite. It's made from a tenite plastic. It's from the 40s or 50s. But isn't that a cool crankbait? I'm sure it gets a good wobble because of this lip. Look how deep that lip is. And then check out this cool, it's a Heddon spin fin, number 2. Look how they mount it with screws. That's how they did that. So I got all this for under 20 bucks. Now I have to catch fish. Oh, that's old school. Alright, I'm gonna give my antique lures a go. It is beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna give this Fish-O-Bite a go. A lure from The 40s or 50s? Interesting. The initial casts were not going that well. The lure kept tangling on me.
Something wrong with the action.
Darkness was only minutes away, so I figured I'd stick with the lure. And I wouldn't be too disappointed.
What the? Holy crap. So, look at the size of this little dude. So this little itty bitty guy got caught by this antique lure.
Minutes later, a bigger fish would find that antique lure.
He just hooks good. There we go.
The next day, I figured I'd give one of the old school spinnerbaits a try.
Alright, so I'm going to give this spinnerbait that I found at the flea market a go. It's unique because I've never fished with one with a blade going down the center. And it appears to be from the 80s or something. See what happens. Oh man, it's melted. So the hook is on top, which is weird.
I was actually a bit stupid here because I failed to realize there was a hook on top and bottom. Jim, who was casting a more new age spinnerbait, was having a bit more luck than I was with my old school one.
He's not he just had a ton of weeds with him. He's good.
Yeah, it's a nice fish.
Big.
Well,
Yeah, that's pretty good.
my spinnerbait just went over him. It's just Jim's magic.
My fortune would come.
Oh, I got one. Nah. No, it's only got the one. But it's got that. Alright. Oh, it does have the two hooks. Hey. That's why it was such a weird fight, because it hooked him in the abdomen too. So he lost that hydrodynamic efficiency. That was with the antique lure. Pretty nice fish.
And I figured one more for good measure.
Oh yeah. Old school antique lure does it again.
So I put a few of the antique lures and old school lures to test, and they caught some fish. This was a fun side project, and it was environmentally friendly. Reuse, recycle, whatever you can. Keep loving the beautiful chaos of nature. Rico.